Annual Program Part 7. Breakdown of the postseason mesocycles. During the postseason mesocycle, my athlete will take proper time for rest and recovery to mentally and physically prepare herself for when training will resume. So this will be a few weeks, just depending on like when the next cycle will start and when tournaments will start. This also would depend on, what months we stop in, what months we decide to take the postseason in. Um, that plays a role in how long she will have off during her postseason. Over this time, the goal is for my athlete to reflect on her strengths and weaknesses. I want my athlete to have a clear understanding of what needs to be worked on for a competition. So for this time, we will come up with like a strategy or a game plan of um, what she needs to work on, whether it be forehand and backhand. Um, it can be aiming, it can be power, more topspin, or it can be like strategic, point play, anything. This will be looked at. Stretching, light aerobic training, and interval run training are beneficial for my player to work on during this season. Neural, cellular, and mechanical properties are focused on during the off-season to improve mobility and flexibility. The goal is to train properly during the off-season to remain injury-free during the season.